Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can integrate Printify with Shopify. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open any preferred browser on your personal computer and search for shopify.com. After that, sign into your Shopify account and you will be redirected to the home page. Now, click on the Apps feature from the left side menu and select the All Recommended Apps option from the drop-down. After that, open the Shopify App Store by clicking on the embed at the bottom of the pop-up window and search for Printify inside it. Access the first app and install it onto your account. Once done, click on the Login button located at the top right corner and create a new account if you don't have one already. After logging in, you will be asked a bunch of questions. Simply answer them to your liking and you're good to go. The integration process is now complete. So that's basically how you can integrate Printify with Shopify. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.